Do you want to change your Apple ID profile picture on your iPhone? It's quick and it only takes a few taps. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the very top. This will open your Apple ID settings. Now tap on your current profile picture. You'll see options like photos, memojis, and emojis, or monograms. Pick the one you want. If you choose a photo, adjust and position it the way you like. You can also put a filter on the photo you select. For example, I pick this memoji. You'll see Customize below it. Press it and it will show you different styles of the memoji. But if you use a real photo of yourself, Customize will show different filters instead. Once you've selected your photo, tap Done or the check mark on the top right corner. Your new profile picture will update across your Apple ID, including iCloud and other Apple services. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Apple ID profile picture on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.